What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys saw, my car has gotten kind of disgusting. So as we are waiting for parts on back order and for parts to arrive, we're actually going to detail my car today. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the full video. I'm going to give you guys 3 tips from someone who's been in the detailing world for over 5+ years. I've gotten pretty good at detailing cars. So I'm going to give you guys 3 tips on how you can better detail cars. And we're doing this detail with under $50 in products of stuff from Walmart or wherever you want to buy your detailing products from. I will leave a link down below to everything that I used in today's video. But you can pick up everything I used for pretty much under 50 bucks. I think I spent like $35 at Walmart to pick up everything. But of course I had my vacuum already. So if you don't have a vacuum, you might have to go to one of those car washes that has vacuums for like $3 and quarters. But let's jump straight into it and let's get my car looking like it did right off the showroom floor. Tip number 1. When it comes to vacuuming, it's all in the details. Hence why it's called detailing. If you have an excessive amount of pet hair, make sure you guys use like a lily brush or some sort of pet hair brush to get rid of all of the pet hair and any loose debris. And when you're vacuuming, you want to get every nook and cranny. It's all in the little details. So there is tip 1 for you. Get rid of all the pet hair and make sure all the small nooks and crannies are taken care of, and your vacuuming is going to look 10 times better. Tip number 2 comes to your leather interior. It is very important to remember a glossy finish on your leather interior means it is dirty. Clean leather should have a matte finish. Now, I normally use a leather cleaner and then a leather conditioner, but in today's video I used a 2-for-1 that actually cleans and conditions the leather, and this I would recommend for more of your weekly cleaning rather than your once a year, semi-annually deep cleaning. So just remember, clean leather has a matte finish, gross leather has a glossy finish. Tip number 3 comes to the interior plastics on your vehicle. After you have gotten them nice and clean, it's very important you add a UV protectant shine to it. You don't want anything that's going to leave a slimy feeling on the plastics, but you do want it to add a nice protectant from the sun. It's going to make sure that they don't crack, and it's going to elevate your details from being pretty good to excellent. When you get in the car and you just see everything shining and everything nice and clean on the plastics, your steering wheel, your shifter, everything, it's going to elevate your detail so much, and it's going to look 100 times better. Well guys, that is going to wrap up today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the 3 tips I gave you on how you can better detail your cars. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this different style of video where we did more of a time-lapse detailing video rather than a performance upgrade or a cosmetic mod update. Now I do have quite a few things coming for my E90. I can't wait for them to arrive to show you guys what we've picked up. And I also can't wait for next week's video. We're going to be transforming a subscriber's car. Now I do think you guys will enjoy that next video, so make sure you smash that subscribe button if you're new here so you don't miss out. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys have any detailing tips for everyone else watching today's video, and make sure you smash that like button so I know you guys are enjoying the content, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.